Hey guys, it's Aidette. Today we are doing a Zeelool try on haul. I'm going to be showing you guys a bunch of different pieces that I picked up. I got prescription glasses. I think I was 11 when I first picked up a prescription pair of glasses, and I was so excited because I was like, oh my god, so many pretty frames, but then they never actually had what I wanted, what fit my face. But thankfully Zeelool reached out to me to work together, so thank you guys so much for collabing with me today. Zeelool provides sunglasses, prescription frames, blue light blocking glasses. From my experience, they have the largest variety I have ever seen, so you guys can only imagine how hyped I was when I got to pick out 6 different styles. So I'm going to show you guys these right now. They're all prescription glasses, guys. I'm gonna be so cute. Like, they're all gonna be matching every single one of my fits. We have Zeelool glasses right here. You guys can visit www.zeelool.com. I'll have all the information down below, and you guys can also use my code, which I'll be placing right here for a discount as well. I'll be placing down below every link, every style. Are we ready, guys? Are we ready? I picked up 6 different styles. I looked through the site for a very long time because, like I said, a plethora. Here are all 6 of my frames, and they all come in this super soft pouch, which I really do appreciate for on the go. And then I have my slips for each one of the frames that I did pick up, and it also has my eyesight prescription on it. Also, there you do get a PD ruler, so basically this is where like your pupil is, and you can measure it out, and you can have a friend show you where it lines up. This is the first pair that we are taking out, and this here is Lucas. Oh my goodness. Let me just take off the protective layer. Easy. Can we just appreciate the intricacy of this design? It actually looks like a crystal frame. Look at the side, look at the arms, like everything is just so intricately designed, and I am in love. I do believe all of my prescription glasses do come with the blue light blocking. This is what they look like on the face, and you guys cannot tell me that these are not absolutely stunning. As soon as I placed it on, my vision crystal clear. So they got my prescription exactly to the dot, and my PD is perfect as well. I can't even stop smiling at these glasses. They have that crystal looking design. They have such a flattering, almost kind of like cat eye shape, and they're clear, so they're kind of like not detectable but detectable at the same time. So they're not going to be super harsh on the face. They're just going to look so elegant and expensive, like luxury. But speaking about expensive, these are super inexpensive. I know whenever I go to the optometrist, they can really be pricey up there. They can be up in the hundreds. I was like searching up on Zeelool, and I was like, okay, I wonder what the cheapest frame that they have on the site is. And they actually have a special right now going for $1. You can get some frames for $1. Unbelievable. But I do see plenty of frames for $7, and the most expensive, quote-unquote expensive one was actually under $40, about like $38. I'm always losing my little rag, so I'm super glad they all come with a rag. Now I'm hitting you guys with Malcolm here. This pair here is Malcolm, and she's definitely different and slightly bold, which is something that I really wanted to try with my new frames. The amount of relief that I get when everything is just kind of like blurry, fuzzy, and I have the perfect prescription, it's unbeatable. And then on top of that, having this amazing design. I said Lucas was my favorite right off the bat. I'm pretty sure I'm going to be having a struggle picking out my true favorite because Malcolm is coming in hot. Malcolm is a large frame, and this is a champagne color. Keep in mind, all of these frames do come in different shades. This one is champagne, and the previous frame, which was Lucas, was in the shade crystal. So this is the gorgeous front, and then here we have the sides, like a clear champagne-y color. It's absolutely beautiful. Everything is so sleek. I am super excited for this pair right here. Her name is FIDELIA. Ooh. These are my girls, FIDELIA. Oh my gosh, you guys can see exactly why I am so hyped about these gorgeous glasses. They have the classic black look, but then we have a small touch of pink. Oh, I cannot wait to see how these look on, guys. Look at how gorgeous. These are the arms. Okay, but get into the interior of this. It's all pink. All right, FIDELIA, give us everything. These are the winners, guys. They fit beautifully. They are lightweight, super comfortable. My prescription is on point. They're super inexpensive. Like, what more? Hands down, these are going to be my everyday eyeglasses. If you guys catch me with eyeglasses, it's gonna be all Zeelool, but for sure Fidelia has got my back. I really like how the pink isn't hidden at all. You can see like straight on, you can still see the pink poking out. I love these so much. Like these give that classic eyeglasses look, but so clean, and also like a little touch of personality there. Like, don't we love that? I love it. Pretty girl. These are staying on my face. Okay guys, next frame. Match made in heaven, truly. Now moving on to unboxing Hilary, and she is another clear frame. I just quickly want to show you guys the protection, the amount of protection that they put on these frames. We have the protection on the arms. This style is Hilary in the shade Crystal. Ooh, I feel like she's very sassy but clean. This one is a tiny bit different from the first ones that I showed you guys. They are clear. They do have a very similar type of cat eye look to them, but these are just plain straight clear and they don't have any design to it. But the side does have gold to it, which adds a little bit of flair if you guys like to be having your hair up just like me. Very beautiful, very classy and to the point. This pair is definitely like the staple and essential in your collection. Here's a close-up of the gold. Although all these are very inexpensive and very affordable, they all come with such great quality and they are so lightweight. I mean, I can't even say any of them are heavy at all. I'm very prone to migraines, and these do not feel weird on the nose at all. They feel very comfortable. Moving on to HARRELL in dark green. Oh my goodness, girl. And we got the tortoise arms. HARRELL is stunning to say the least. Again, this is in dark green. This is what the inside looks like, and these are the tortoise arms. They are insanely detailed. Do y'all see the range that Zeelool has? It's really crazy the amount of different styles that you can get. Like, I would have never thought to ever try these types of glasses, but they just are perfect. This is what the side looks like. That tortoise is really just popping out there. Your glasses can also be your accessory. It doesn't only have to be just for simple vision. Me being a makeup artist, these feel very appropriate. I feel like a lot of makeup artists are always wearing some like funky, cool design glasses. Guys, are we sad? We're on our last pair of glasses. This is Chanel. Now these, along with all the other ones, obviously are so pretty and different. Like, these have almost like that cat eye shape as well, and they are a large frame with the blue light protection, and then they also have accents of red. And hold on, before you thought that that was it, it also has pink on the top. This here is the arm. The outside is blue, the inside is red, and here is the inside. It's just a gorgeous red cherry interior, pink color on the top, so it's like a bunch of different strips of shades. So pretty. Oh, Chanel, Miss Lady. I feel like these are the largest frames that I have had out of all of them. Tell me why I'm getting into the large frame. I feel like they're just very unique. I love how it has all those different aspects of shades. Like, it's just such a gorgeous colorway that I wouldn't have thought of. I love that when you look to the side, you can see all three different colors. You can see the navy blue, you can see the red, and you can also see the pink. Like, what more? So now what I ask from you guys is, which one is your favorite? Because I have about 6 favorites. I probably have to say Fidelia because it has the black and the pink, and you guys know that that's so me. And that's why I'm so excited for having all these pairs, is just because they're all so different. They feel very different, and they go with all different occasions. That is all for today's video. Make sure you guys are clicking in the description down below for all the information that you need, and I'll talk to you guys in my very next video. Mwah.